So yun nga, bago ako umalis ng trabaho, bago ako mag-resign, sinabi ko nga nung previous video ko yung three things you need to consider, okay, before you leave. And very briefly, sinabi ko yung kailangan mong gawin. And the three things you have to do is first, you have to plan. Okay? You have to plan. Make sure na may plano ka. Okay? Don't do it in a rush. Number two is make sure you have you have a new job na mag-i-increase yung income mo. Dapat pataas yung income. Huwag kang pumayag na pababa yung income mo in spite na maganda yung other benefits, offers. You have to weigh kung yung yung paglipat mo may impact ba sa income mo, sa finances nyo. Kasi it's really gonna hurt you kung aalis ka ng trabaho dahil lang maganda yung other things na kasama dun sa compensation mo. So make sure you consider that. And number three is make sure you talk to your boss. Okay? Huwag kang aalis ng basta-basta lang. Talk to your boss before you even decide to move. Okay? Again, part ng planning is you have to consider talking to your boss before leaving. Okay? Kasi kung if you're leaving and you haven't talked to your boss, you might have the opportunity thrown out sa window kasi malay mo kung sweldo yon, they might promote you, which is not a good idea. I'll talk to you kung bakit it's not a good idea to get promoted, be promoted kung ikaw ay naghahanap lang ng increase ng income. So kung going back, kung if you talk to your supervisor about about leaving, or probably skip level, you talk to your manager about leaving, yung boss mo, yung supervisor mo, then you have to lay out ano yung reason bakit ka alis. Okay? Kasi if it's just income, yung yung pay, compensation, your salary, probably they can do something about it. Like siguro bigyan ka ng additional tasks which can lead you to overtime, which I don't know kung okay yun sa'yo, pero for the time being, you need more income, overtime might work, or probably he'll just slightly promote you to a different role na medyo ready ka na, and we'll see. Hopefully, it works for you.